Whenever my kids couldn't sleep, we always sang to them.
A lullaby.
Well, sort of. Mr. Sandman.
Oh, I don't know, Rose.
Dorothy, come on. It's worth a try.
We interrupt this episode of Golden Girls to bring you a special message from Star Command.
Wait. We interrupted Golden Girls for this? Nobody told me we'd be interrupting Golden Girls. I thought we were interrupting something lame, like Police Academy 4 or something like... Okay, well, whatever. Anywho. Hi, I'm James Flaskamp. You might remember me from such films as IHS Black Hole Bingo Briefing. I'm here interrupting Golden Girls with a very important update from Star Command. Black Hole Bingo is off to a nice start, with the math department taking the early lead in the competition for free lunch. Shelby Hasten, our individual leader, has been a big part of that effort. So nice job, math department, but we do still have over 2 months left in this competition, so it's still anyone's game. Remember, to claim spaces on your bingo cards and get credit for all the awesome work you're doing, you have to post videos in the IHS Black Hole Bingo Flipgrid. Not only does this help you progress in our bingo game, but it's a great way for us to collaborate digitally as a staff and share the great stuff we're doing with one another. You can access the Flipgrid by clicking the Pizza Planet truck in the Black Hole Bingo presentation, or you can access it directly at this web address. Like I said originally, posting videos is meant to be super fast and super easy. To prove that, I provided the link to a quick tutorial video down in the video description in case you need help, or you just want to see how ridiculously fast and easy this process is. And keep in mind, spaces can be claimed for a lot of the things you're probably already doing. Things like designing a common formative assessment with your PLC, or creating a treatment agreement with your classes, just to name a couple. So, get on that Flipgrid, post some videos, and let's win some lunch and some prizes, alright? And speaking of prizes, I'm going to issue a challenge to all of you right now. It's very simple. Between now and the end of the month, post at least one video to the IHS Black Hole Bingo Flipgrid. If you do, you'll automatically win a special prize. That's right, just one quick video and you win a prize. It doesn't get much better than that, people, so do it. Do it! Last but not least, Night Family, I'd like to thank you for all you're doing and for doing what you do every day. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for continuing to do what's best for our kids. I know it's been hard. Just know that I'm one of your biggest cheerleaders, and this little bingo game is meant to be a fun competition, but it's also meant to be a celebration of all the good stuff you're doing with and for your students each and every day. So, if you haven't already, I hope you'll join in on the fun. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some Golden Girls to watch. Thank you for being a friend.